Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to set up a Vevo channel and upload your music video. It's very easy guys. The first step today guys is to head to a browser and go to a music video distribution service platform, which is Ditto. Ditto is actually a music video distribution service platform that helps you set up a Vevo channel and upload your video, right? And it also helps you to get to upload your music on all music streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Audiomack, Boomplay, etc. And also you can get some royalties from your music or your music video after the release. All right, so with Ditto music distribution service, it's very easy for you to upload your music video on Vevo and set up a Vevo channel. Now how can you actually do this? So the first step today guys is to head to dittomusic.com. right, so head to dittomusic.com and sign up for an account. So once you sign up for an account, you can now head to your dashboard. So this is actually my Ditto music dashboard. Now what can we do next? Now if you look right here at the top, there's a tab, right? There's a tab right here. There's a video tab, videos tab, so tap on that. By the way, I have a video on how you can upload your music video on Ditto, your music on Ditto and have it released on all music streaming platform. I'm going to add the video to that at the end screen of this particular video. All right, so once you click on the videos tab at the top, then now you get these two options. You find this one is Vevo channel setup and video upload. So if you have if you want Ditto music distribution to set up a Vevo channel for you and help you upload your video, then you can go for this one. But if you have a Vevo channel already, you can click on this one. So I want this Ditto music distribution to help me set up a Vevo channel and upload my video. So I'm going to click on this new Vevo channel. Right now, once I click on that, now what I'm going to do next is this. I'm just going to scroll down and enter my artist name, and then what name would you like? What's your Vevo channel name? Right, so I'm going to give it this name. All right, so this is the name I want for my Vevo channel. All right, so here you can enter some biography about yourself. All right, so I'm going to say all right, for example, so let's scroll down and see. All right, so here it says your character bio must be between 200 and 1000. So it has to be so I have to tell them more about myself. So I'm going to pause this video and add that quickly. All right, so now I've added my biography. The next thing I have to do is to add channel artist image. All right, but before we go to that, I changed my artist name to this. All right, so now let me scroll down to channel artist image. So before you select or before you design a channel artist image, you have to consider this requirement for your channel artist image. So look at this and make sure it meets this requirement, because if it doesn't, you'll get an error trying to do this. So I'm going to click on this select artist image and add my artist image. Alright, so this is what I want as my artist image. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to scroll down and add my channel art/YouTube banner. So I'm going to click on this, select banner, because I have an already designed one. And again, you have to go through this requirement, make sure your YouTube banner meets this requirement, because if it doesn't, you get an error. Right, so I'm going to select this one. I have an already designed image for that already, so I'm going to select that one, and now it's added. All right, so what else do we have to do? So just scroll down and click on next. All right, so now we have to add, so let's scroll up, let's scroll up. All right, so now we have to add the video file. Right, so we have to add the video file. So how can we do that? Click on this select files. All right, so just before we do that, look right here and make sure that your video meets this requirement, because if it doesn't, you will get an error trying to do it. So I'm going to click on this select file and select my video file. Alright, so to start uploading the video. Right, so that is added. Right, so what else do we have to do? So I'm going to scroll down, and we are going to add our video title now. So what's the title of the video? The title of my video is Lonely. Alright, so you have to choose a music genre. So click on this drop down icon and select one. I'm going to select Afro beats. Alright, so what else? So if you have other artists you want to give credit, you can just go ahead and enter the name of the artist right here. Or if you have people who contributed to your music, like I think the producers, the songwriters, and a lot more, so just click on this add and add them. All right, so once that is added, but if you don't have anybody who contributed, you can just type none right there, and then move to the copyright holder. So who is the copyright holder? So I'm going to enter my artist name right there, and then the copyright here. Alright, this has to be between 6 and 64 character. Alright, maybe I'm going to enter my full name instead of my artist name, which is this one. Alright, so now the copyright here, I'm going to enter, I'm going to type 2023. All right, so what else? So let's scroll down. All right, so when would you like this song to be released? There is a date right there already, but just tap on that and select a different date if you want a different date, if you don't want it to be released today. So just I'm going to choose this date. So as you can see right here, you can only choose from 21, so you're going to see a minimum date select highlighted right here. So you can only choose from, I can only choose from 21 to 30th of this month. So I'm going to choose 23, and then the release time, I'll leave it like this. So if you're under a record label, enter the record label right there, but if you are not under a record label, you can just enter none right there. And then if your video contains explicit lyrics or explicit content, select explicit, but if not, select no explicit content. Right, so here you have to enter your YouTube description. I think I have to enter the same thing with my biography. All right, and then here you have to enter your YouTube keywords. Yeah, I'm going to just type Afrobeats. All right, this is what I want. Afrobeats, Nigeria. All right, just like that. All right, so you can only separate with commas. Yeah, forgot. All right, now what else? There's now your video thumbnail. So make sure you design a thumbnail for your video. Right, so I'm going to click on select file. By the way, your thumbnail needs to meet this requirement right here. So I'm going to go to my downloads and choose this one. Let's hope it works, because I don't have an already designed thumbnail for that. Yeah, it was added. So make sure you design a video thumbnail, a YouTube banner, and an artist image before you try to do this on your own. All right, so after adding your YouTube thumbnail, what else do we have to do? We have to click on next. So let's move to the third part and see what we have there. All right, so let me scroll up. All right, so now is to select the video distribution preferences. This has to do with where you want your song to be. What part of the world would you like your song to be released? If you want your song to be released worldwide, then you have to just leave it just like this. But if you want it to be released in some part of the world, then just select the second one, and then you can choose the territories where you want your song to be released in. All right, so once you select any of these, then click on this add to basket, which is like adding to your cart. And then after that, the next thing you have to do, guys, is to make your payment. As you can see right here, the payment is just $30. All right, so just scroll down, and now you can make a payment with your card or with paper. All right, once payment is made with your card or with your paper, then your song will be released on YouTube, and you have a channel, a Vevo channel set up for you, and your song will be released on the channel on YouTube. So guys, this is how you can actually do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. So if it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. So after uploading your song on Vevo, you will get some royalties right here in the detailed music distribution, like I said earlier. So if you just come right here, click on royalties. Once you click on that, then you'll be able to see your balance, your earnings, the money you're making from your music video right here, so you can withdraw at any time. All right, so guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like, and remember to subscribe to this channel to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.